Dude, my makeup looking so fly right now. Ooh, yes. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today we have a Black Friday haul. Yeah! Yeah! Are you excited? I'm excited. I spent a lot of money, so this is what I got, basically. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you later. Okay, so the first order of business is this pair of jeans, which is from Aerie. It is the super high-rise jegging, super stretch, super soft, and it doesn't really say what color, but I got size 4 short, and I am 5 feet 4 inches tall, and the jeggings come right to my ankle, which is actually the perfect place for me. And it is super stretchy, super soft, and I mean, it's a little tight in the waist because I'm trying to gain weight, but it's manageable. I'm gonna eat dinner in this and see how it goes, and see if I can still breathe after having dinner. But yeah, I actually really like them. They're super stretchy and actually really soft, and they're more comfortable than any of the jeans I own. So yeah, and these were pretty cheap for what it is. So yeah, definitely gonna keep these. Okay, so the next item is from Pretty Little Thing, and it's basically just a long sleeve sweater. It's actually pretty thin, but it reminds me of what my mom would wear. So yes, I'm in the stage of my life where I'm copying my mom's fashion. Okay, so here it is. I actually really like it. It's very fitted, very much my style. Even though it's thin, it feels warm, and I feel like I could put on like a overcoat or something. I'm really into the turtleneck look, the turtleneck fitted look, and it's tucked in because that's how I like to wear my long sleeve tops. I like it. I'm gonna keep this one. Hopefully I like everything in this haul because I hate returning stuff, but so far so good. Okay, now we got this little number. I like it. It's like a gray boxy crop top. Very casual, very cute. It looks super sporty, and I actually like how it looks on me. I like it. I definitely wanted to get more crop tops so I could wear them with high-waisted pants. Oh, that's another thing about these pants. They're high-waisted, which is very important. I know these are like really boring, like gray, black colors, but I really wanted to get more staple pieces because there were too many times where I just bought like frilly clothes and I never wear them. So it's good to know that I will definitely be wearing these. All right, I think we're ready for the next item. Okay, so obviously I have some weird obsession with turtlenecks right now. This is also something definitely that my mom would wear. But look how cute, like how cute it is when it goes with these jeans. That's how you know it's a staple piece, when it goes with the same pair of pants. I'm very happy about that because it's very low effort. And here's proof that it's a bodysuit. I was too lazy to actually, you know, just tucking it in. But yeah, this is what it is. Definitely a keeper. I like it. I like the turtleneck. It's not too tight, doesn't choke me, it fits. Everything's good. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to be returning this because I can't get it on and it doesn't fit. But here is a black bodysuit that claims to be size small, but really is extra, extra, extra small. Oh my god. Okay, so we got another turtleneck moment here. This one is cropped. It's super cute, but trying to put this on was like being born out of a vagina, and I'm literally out of breath because it is so tight. Oh my god. Maybe I am not a size small, but those other ones fit so well. There's a lot of sizing inconsistencies, which is bad. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I do. It's just so tight and a little bit see-through, as you can see, which is not good because I'm not down for that. But I guess I'll think about it. Maybe I'm just really sweaty right now, so my skin is like clinging to the fabric. But let's try on some pants. Oh, I don't want to take these off. Okay, so the main event of the show is paper bag pants, and I think these are navy colored, but they look black to me right now. I don't know, maybe my ring light is really bright and I'm getting blinded, but here's the idea. The only thing though, when I was pulling it up, the ruffles got stuck inside. So I imagine that going to the bathroom is going to be a whole event. But pretty cute. I like them. I like them, and they fit pretty well. They're very snug, so you can get a better look. I'm gonna back up. Yeah, I like them. I just looked in the mirror and I saw that these ruffles are like way out. I don't really know how I feel about that, because it's just like there. I don't know about these. Okay, now we're talking. I actually really like the checkered pattern on this, and I think that after trying this on, I'm not gonna keep the navy blue ones, because I feel like this one is like, even though it's striped, I feel like it's staple enough to only have one pair and be okay, you know? I think I'm okay with only having one pair, because I don't really need the other one. And also it'd be cool to get some of the lots of money that I spent on Black Friday back. Yeah, I actually really like these. One thing I didn't expect about the paper bag pants though is that on the waistband, it's literally just like an elastic band. I'm trying to be on my tiptoes because I don't want to adjust my tripod. But yeah, it's just like literally an elastic band, and it kind of digs in a little bit, but it's not like the worst thing in the world, I guess. It's okay. I like them enough to keep them, and it looks really good with this top. I actually really like this top, but it's so tight. I might have to return it and get a new size. Okay, so we have this kind of red, dark red button down. It doesn't unbutton all the way. You can kind of open it at the leg. You can also button it and then kind of have more of a bodycon kind of one piece moment. But yeah, I'm actually really into the long sleeve look, and I like it, but I don't really know how I feel about this dress. I think it'll grow on me. I'm not going to return it because Fashion Nova's return policy is like the worst thing ever. So I'm just going to keep it, and I'm going to wear it to Christmas. And I think it'll be nice, except probably button down the last few buttons so it's family appropriate. I think the more I look at it, the more I like it. It's quite nice. I like the dark red look. Okay, so now we have two items at once, which is the sweater and these high-waisted shorts. I don't know if I would wear these together because it's kind of like a clash of two weathers, because this is for cold weather and then this is for hot weather, and I don't want to be that person who wears shorts when it's raining because it's too cold. But yeah, let's talk about the sweater. I actually really like it. It's kind of a dolman style, so if I do this, you get the general idea. Here's the shape of it. I like it because I kind of wanted like a loose fitting, comfortable, soft sweater. It's really, really, really soft. Here is an up close of the material. There's little particles like flying out. I'm not sure if it's from the sweater. I think it is. Ooh, okay. Hopefully after washing it, it'll be a little less crazy. But I do like the style, and it doesn't seem to be see-through, which is a big plus. And I actually really like white, but I'm always too lazy to separate out my laundry. So because I got the sweater, I promised myself that I would start washing my whites separately. And I know, I haven't been doing that so far, but I use cold wash, so it's okay, right? Now we're gonna talk about these shorts, and I actually really like them. I don't have any like shorts that are socially acceptable to wear outside. So now this is my first pair, and I actually really enjoy it because I'm making gains in the gym and I want to show off my quads somehow, right? My quads are still very tiny, but bear with me. They're all I have to show. So it's just this super like basic belt, but I don't have a basic black belt of my own. So yeah, I've been using my boyfriend's belt to accessorize my outfits, but I thought it was time that I get my own belt because grown women have their own basic belts that they can pair with stuff. So if I'm not feeling, for this pair of shorts, I'm not feeling this belt, this denim belt, then I can go for a more cleaned up look. And all of a sudden, the whole look changes. Wow. Let me put it on. Let me see if I know how to put this on. Ooh, okay. I think it'll look a lot better with jeans, maybe. Basic black belt, very simple, very boring, but we're okay. We are ending with the grand finale, which is this camel colored coat. And I mainly wanted to see if it would look good with the sweater, because if it's cold, I'm gonna be wearing a sweater. And the answer is no, it does not, because it makes me look like I'm wearing like a really baggy t-shirt, because the tighter sleeves are kind of hidden by this coat. But you know what? I can just find another sweater to wear under this coat. Maybe a fitted one that I got in this haul, like the gray turtleneck. Oh, that'll be fun. I actually really wanted to get one of these coats because there's always been an internal desire of mine to look like an international kid. A super rich international kid. I don't know, actually I don't think this is how international kids dress. I think they wear like Gucci or whatever, but this is how the popular girls in middle school used to dress, so look who's laughing now. Still them. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm just very uncomfortable because the sweater is very like thick, so I'm like barely able to breathe. Since it's winter time, I thought I would get like an overcoat, an outerwear item, and this is sufficient. And yeah, I like the color. I think it'll go with a lot of colors, a lot of other colors, and a lot of clothing items that I already have, so that's a good thing. Hey again, actually that wasn't the last item. There are shoes. There are shoes. It's a couple days after I filmed the first part of the video, so now it's like another day, and I just wanted to show my outfit of the day. This is the gray turtleneck bodysuit, and this is the striped paper bag pants. This is such a great combo in my opinion, or maybe I look crazy, I don't know, but I think I look pretty cute. I'm really into it, and I paired it with this nice little ball earring. I think it looks very classy. Yeah, let's go look at the shoes. Okay, so this is the first pair. It's like combat boots, and it's actually pretty comfortable, much to my surprise, because boots and like heeled shoes usually make me really uncomfortable. So this is the second pair. It's more of an Oxford style boot, Oxford style shoe. I wanted to get something like this because I was tired of wearing sneakers with my dresses, because that just looks bad. But I think it's a little bit too loose, too big. I think I might have to go get actually a size 5.5. But yeah, pretty cute. Pretty nice, pretty comfortable. And the heel doesn't feel too high, even though it looks kind of high. And I feel like I could walk around in these. Pretty good. So the shoes weren't on sale. I just got them in the spirit of Black Friday. But now is the real end of this haul. Okay everybody, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked some of the stuff that I got. I hope you got some good Black Friday deals, and I hope you have a great holiday season. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.